I wanted to show you guys a quick video of this tool that we've been selling and selling a lot of. This is the exact tool that you guys will get if you go on and order our Polaris harmonic balancer or flywheel puller or our gear puller kit. This is the puller kit that you would get. So it comes in a red case here. I got two tabs that you unclick here, open it up, and this is exactly what you get here. A lot of these bolts actually you're not going to use for the Polaris motor, and I might end up finding a couple other models that this puller set will work for since they've been selling so good. I've had such good luck with this kit here, so not specifically for Rangers or the Polarises in particular, but it does, a set of these bolts do fit the Polaris models. So I've got a Polaris flywheel here. I want to show you exactly what you do with this kit. I wanted to show you exactly what was in here and the bolts that we're going to use. So this is the claw part of it here, and this is what you're going to use for sure. You're going to want to put this on there, run this in. I like to have the flat side of our puller on this side here. Run this in, and then you can take the pointed part, shove that on there. You'll have an O-ring on there, and that just acts as kind of a holder for that pin there so it doesn't fall off. This is fairly sharp, so you want to make sure you don't drop that and damage it. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to take these bolts here. So in this kit, and who knows, the manufacturer might change these, but they're a gold bolt here. You got 3 of them. You're going to take and run this in there, and you're going to run these bolts down about 1/2 inch on the flywheel. On the gear, which I'll go over here a little bit, you're not going to run them down quite 1/2 inch. So run them in about 1/2 inch. If you don't run them in far enough, you have the potential of pulling those threads out. That's really not a good situation. If you run them in too far, you're going to actually take these bolts and run them into the stator that sits behind here. Okay, now once the puller's on there and you've got these bolts run down about 1/2 inch, you can take an impact socket, put it on here, use your impact, electric, battery, pneumatic, whatever you've got, run it in there. It's going to take and actually pull that flywheel off just like that. I've got countless videos of showing you guys how to remove the flywheel. I just wanted to more specifically show you the flywheel puller kit that we have here. So those are the parts that you're going to get with this kit. This is kind of a demonstration how you're going to use it. The exact same thing is going to go for this gear here. So same thread pitch, different year and models are different. But you will not want to use these bolts here, these here, or these here. These are sort of obsolete for this project, for this specific model. You don't need these black ones here or the silver ones. You'll use the gold ones here. If you guys have questions or comments, make sure and leave those below. I appreciate all the feedback that you guys give me. If you need this kit, I'll put a link below for it. And if you need to check out other service videos on the other manufacturers, ATVs, UTVs, motorcycles, jet skis, make sure and check those out on our channel. Appreciate you guys watching.